Have you ever seen welding with no visible sparks? That's the specialty of SAW, Submerged Arc Welding. In this technique, the welding arc stays completely hidden under a special flux powder, so no bright sparks are visible. When the machine runs, the electrode wire automatically moves forward, creating extremely strong metal joints. The flux melts, protecting the weld from air, making it cleaner, deeper, and more durable. SAW is widely used for heavy steel structures, pipelines, vessels, ships, and railway tracks due to fast welding, minimal smoke, and consistent quality.